Now, I want to shift focus from the turncoat from Congress to the BJP to what is happening in the state of West Bengal, where there seems to be now a wave of reverse migration, which is possibly going to hit the Bharatiya Janata Party very soon. Days after deserting TMC in the run-up to the Bengal Assembly elections, now turncoat TMC leaders want to rejoin the party. In Bengal's Birbhum district, a group of BJP workers marched in the local markets apologizing for joining the BJP ahead of the elections. BJP on its part claimed their workers are living in fear and thus forced to put up such public apologies. Meanwhile, in Bengal's Bardhaman, 150 BJP leaders joined TMC, including BJP Yuva Morcha media cell in charge Veer Pradhan. They joined the party in presence of TMC MLA Sheikh Shahnawaz. Speaking on this development, BJP leader Dilip Ghosh dared the TMC on poaching its MLAs and accused them of spreading rumors. Now remember, it's happening at a time when senior leaders like Mukul Roy from the TMC who went to the BJP, his son and few others are already missing in action as far as the BJP is concerned in the state of West Bengal.
এক নম্বর সংসদে বিজেপির কর্মীবৃন্দ 2021 সালে বিধানসভা ভোটের আগে বিপ্লবী গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের উন্নয়নমূলক কাজে সম্পর্কে মিথ্যা তথ্য প্রচার করে গ্রামে উত্তেজনা ও গন্ডগোলের সৃষ্টি করেছিলাম, যেগুলি ছিল ভিত্তিহীন এবং সর্বতোভাবে মিথ্যা। আমরা সেই মিথ্যা অপবাদ ও কুকর্মের জন্য বিপ্লবী গ্রামবাসীদের কাছে ক্ষমা চাইছি এবং শপথ করছি এই রকম মিথ্যা অপবাদ কুপ্রচার ভবিষ্যতে কোনোদিন করব না। গ্রামবাসীদের কাছে ভুল স্বীকার করে 2021 সালে বিধানসভা ভোটের আগে বিপ্লবী গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের উন্নয়নমূলক কার্য সম্পর্কে মিথ্যা তথ্য প্রচার করে গ্রামে উত্তেজনা ও গন্ডগোলের সৃষ্টি করেছিলাম, যেগুলি ছিল ভিত্তিহীন এবং সর্বতোভাবে মিথ্যা। আমরা সেই মিথ্যা অপবাদ ও কুকর্মের জন্য বিপ্লবী গ্রামবাসীদের কাছে ক্ষমা চাইছি এবং শপথ করছি।
প্রায় 2000 কর্মী এদের নেতৃত্বে যারা সাবমিট জেনারেল করি মন্ডল সভাপতি বুথ সভাপতি তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের, এগুলো আমাদের খুব পুরনো বন্ধু এবং সেই বন্ধুরা তারাই আমার দায়িত্ব নিচ্ছে সমস্ত দলকে শক্তিশালী করে আমাদের এলাকার উন্নয়ন আমাদের কাজ আমরা নিজেরা থেকে অংশগ্রহণ করে নিজের পার্টি শরীর হয়ে দলের অংশ হয়ে আমরা করব। আমরা তাদেরকে সাদরে আহ্বান করে নিয়ে নিচ্ছি।
क्या आप कह रहे हैं कि खौफ या डर के माहौल के वजह से बहुत सारे लोग वापस तृणमूल जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
डर तो है ही है। गांव देहात में आदमी को 3 तरीका से वो लोग मतलब बाध्य हो रहे जाने का वापस ही। एक, उनका घर लूटा जा रहा है, उनका कारोबार बंद कर दिया जा रहा है। कारोबार मतलब क्या, कोई छोटा सा एक चाय दुकान
घर वापस नहीं जा सकते,
घर वापस नहीं जा सकते हैं, घर जला दिया गया। ये नया तरीका आजमा रहे हैं ये लोग कि जेसीबी ला के उसको घर को पूरा तोड़ के मिट्टी में मिला दिया। माँ बहन का ऊपर जिस तरह से अत्याचार हुआ, ये बंगाल का कल्चर नहीं था।
Indrajit Kundu is now joining us from Kolkata with more details. So Indrajit, whether you call it fear or opportunism, but it's very clearly at this point of time, chips are in favor of Mamata Banerjee. Senior leaders like Mukul Roy, his son has been writing Facebook post after Facebook post in favor of the TMC. What is happening? Are we looking at a scenario of mass desertions?
Well, Ankit, you know, it's a two-pronged thing. You know, as far as the BJP leaders are concerned, they're of course some of them who had jumped ship just before the elections. They're looking forward to re-induction or rejoining the Trinamool Congress for all political reasons, because they believe that the kind of results that have come here in West Bengal, there isn't much of a future for them, at least here in the state, in the BJP. However, the reality on the ground is very different from the ground workers. For the ground workers, they are saying these ground workers are saying that they have been completely deserted by the leaders and they are there to fend for themselves. They are in fear. Many of them are out of their houses, and that's why in several areas, they're under pressure. They have to pay to the local leadership to get back to their houses because the Trinamool Congress is in power. So that is the reality for the workers. So it's very stark reality is very different for the BJP leadership here in the state, which finds itself in a bind to keep the flock together, and its grassroots level workers who, in a sense, we are seeing a mass exodus happening from the BJP to the Trinamool Congress.
Now the challenge for the Bharatiya Janata Party, a 5-year challenge, or at least I might say a 4-year challenge. They have to keep the party together. People, those who came from the TMC, still in the party fold till at least the 2024 Lok Sabha elections in the state of West Bengal. Thank you so much, Indrajit, for joining us with all those details. Now, it has been over a month that the elections in West Bengal are over. A new government is in place. But there are allegations of poll violence which are still circulating every single day. The BJP says, alleges in fact, that the state police is not taking any action when their cadre are at the receiving end. Meanwhile, in few places, the Central Reserve Forces are still providing security to the party men who had joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. Take a look at this ground report.
This is West Bengal's Jagaddal locality in the North 24 Parganas, the scene of multiple instances of post-poll violence. These walls and doors tell the tale of the gory political rivalry. More than a month after the election results, the violence has not died down. The Rapid Action Force men stationed here keep a close vigil from rooftops to ward off internecine attacks. Pratima Sahu, a member of a joint family, recalls how petrified she was when crude bombs landed on the terrace of her home. She managed to save her toddler, but the splinters injured her father-in-law.
हम लोग खाना वाना खा के ऐसे आराम कर रहे थे, देखे एक बम का आवाज आया। बम का आवाज आने के बाद 5 मिनट बाद देख रहे धर 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 पूरा बम का आवाज आने लगा। मेरे छोटा बच्चे गोदी में लेके हम लोग दौड़ा दौड़ी कर रहे थे, नीचे बार को पीटा पीट कुमारी पीट रहे थे।
The house where we are standing right now, this particular door is claimed by the inhabitants of this particular house that this has been charged with bombs 2 days back, and ever since violence erupted, the Barakpur Police Commissionerate has deployed heavy amounts of rapid action force battalions, not only on the roads but also on the houses of these individuals who have claimed that bombs are being hurled at each other's houses.
Not far away from Jagaddal, Bhatpara was also another locality riddled with violence. Jaiprakash Yadav's family recounts the horror of June 6th. 2 men accosted Jaiprakash at the jute mill where he worked. Jaiprakash was killed in the bomb blast that followed.
इसलिए हमला किया लोग कि जीपीपी में काहे रहा, त्रिभुवन में काहे नहीं गया, कि मेरा आदमी कुछ किसी में नहीं था, वो तो खुद भेजा है मेरा साथ में पी लाकर और बम भेजकर।
Barakpur City Police arrested 2 people for the bomb attack, but the local BJP MP calls it an eyewash.
भाटपड़ा विधानसभा बैरकपुर चाहे कोई भी जिला हो, ममता बनर्जी की ये पार्टी जो है ये स्टेट स्पॉन्सर है। मैं आपको दावे के साथ एक बात कहूँ, पुलिस हट जाए ना, बंगाल में कोई तृणमूल कांग्रेस की ताकत नहीं है किसी भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं को मारने के।
We are here at Jagaddal Market in Barakpur, where a lot of people claim that a lot of post-poll violence have taken place ever since the 2021 results were called. Since 2019, ever since Arjun Singh won from Barakpur, numerous reports of violence, of political violence erupted in this area, which was silent in 2020. However, as the results of 2021 elections got called out, post-poll violence have happened in which 2 people have lost their lives in one particular month. With camera person Prabir Biswas, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Jagat Dal, Barakpur.